With OEM.connect, you digitize your fleet in a whole new way. OEM.connect directly taps into the factory-fitted system over a wide variety of vehicles, which means there is no need to install hardware across some of the biggest vehicle brands, drastically reducing the cost of connecting your fleet. Only the VIN number is required. Simply submit it, and you have yourself a connected vehicle. It's that easy. And because Webfleet Solutions has over 20 years of experience, we take the complex ingredients from your connected vehicles and simplify them, giving you insights that help you save money and make it easier to manage your fleet, like real-time odometer or alerts on maintenance. All insights are available on any device, like raw data from an API or our ready-to-use interface. So why wait? Get connected with OEM.connect.